Okay, here we are inside our PyCharm IDE, and here we have the folder structure. So I'm going to create a new Python file. Here I'm going to demonstrate floats. So I will write the name of our script as floats, and it's a Python file, and press enter key. So here I have my main file, which is a separate script, and here I have the floats.py file, which is a new script. So here I'm going to demonstrate my code. So the first step is like, here you will see that it's still on the main uh, script, so we have to change it. So when you run the float script or the new script for the first time, you will have to right click and select run the respective name of the file. Here it's float, so I will click this, and here you will notice that there's nothing to be executed. So first I will create a float variable. So let's say pi equal 3.142. so basically I wrote the value of pi, which is 3.142. so this is a float, and if I type x equal 2, this is an integer, so I will write a comment, this is an integer, and this is a float. So we type comments using the hash symbol, and this is a float. So in order to visualize the data type as discussed earlier, you can use the type functions of print, and inside the print we are going to find the type of the pi variable as well as the x variable. So here I will type type, and next I will call the variable x, so which basically prints out the type of the x variable. So in case of 2, it is an integer, so we will have the result as an integer. So if I run this, now you will see that the class is of the integer, and if I replace this x with pi, which is now a floating point number, you have to see that the class int will change, because now it is of the class float. So in that way we are able to create different data types, numbers of different data types. The first one is an integer, and the second one is of float, which is pi, and the second one is an integer. Similarly, we can create complex numbers as well. So in order to create complex numbers, you can type complex numbers like 2 plus 1j. So this means that it is a complex number. So next I will again use the print and type, and I will call the value y. So the value y is a complex number, so we will see a different result over here. So I will run this. Now you can see that the y is of the class complex and pi is of the class float, so which basically gives us the type of the variable. So in this way we managed to create float, integer and complex numbers, and you will notice that they are of different classes, which means their data type is different. So thanks very much for watching this video.